Now we have successfully installed Whale tool into our Kali Linux machine. So now it's time to see how it looks like. So first of all, you need to open your terminal window, and in terminal window you need to type Whale for opening this particular framework, and after clicking enter you can see here this kind of interface in just front of you. So as you can see here from the starting that it is the 3.1.14, it is the version number of the Whale tool, and it is a framework actually. It contains two tools inside it, and the name of them is evasion and ordnance. So in the down you can see that these are the available command that we can use using this particular framework, inside this particular framework. So now exit means completely exit Whale, and info means information on a specific tool, and list means list available tools, and option means show Whale configuration. Update means update Whale. It is very important tool, so with the time you should update it. And use command will be helpful in using the particular tool. Just like suppose I'm going to first of all I'm going to list the list so that I can see the number of tools that are inside this particular framework. So we have two tools. First one is evasion and the second one is ordnance. So what these each tool means: so evasion is just a tool which will create backdoors for us, and ordnance is a tool which will create a shell code so that we can quickly interact with our payload and exploit, and with the help of this particular shell code we can exploit the vulnerability. So this is how it looks like, and the most in this course we are going to use this evasion tool. So now let's see what evasion tool contain inside it. So use 1 and press enter. As you can see, we are inside the Whale evasion menu. It contains 41 payloads inside it, and these many commands we can use inside this particular tool. So we have back, check wait, and clean, exit, info, list, use. So now it's time to see how many payloads it contains. It is containing 41 payloads. So now it's time to see how they looks like. So first of all we are going to just list the payloads, and after pressing enter, as you can see, these many payloads it contains inside it. And in this course we are going to use this particular payload. So as you can see that it contains 3 sections separately. So what each section means: so first of all you can see that Go is nothing but a programming language in which this particular payload is coded on. And metasploit is just a module that is inside the metasploitable framework, which is used for interacting with the payload and our backdoor. Now what is reverse https.python? It is nothing but, as you can see that, as you all are well aware that if you want to connect with any particular system, if there is a firewall at that end, so if you are doing some malicious activity, so firewall can block you. So reverse https.py will do that whenever you will deliver your payload to that target machine. When target machine owner will double click on that particular payload, or it will download that particular payload. So after downloading it, it will automatically start connecting with us. So the connection will be from their end, not from our end. So the connection will be from their end, so there will be no problem of catching. And HTTP is just nothing but it is a port number which is for 443, and it is written on Python. So this is all it looks like. So in the next video we are going to see how we can create a undetectable backdoor. So it will be very easy for us to just get inside any particular machine, window, anything. So this is all for this lecture, and I hope you guys enjoyed it, and thank you for watching this video.